Cozy rustic outdoor bedrooms, embracing nature for a summer escape. Introduction: welcoming the tranquility of nature into your bedroom. There's something truly magical about sleeping under the stars, surrounded by the gentle sounds of nature, and what better way to experience that than by creating a cozy rustic outdoor bedroom? In today's video, we're diving deep into the serene world of outdoor bedrooms, where rustic charm meets the peaceful embrace of nature, perfect for your summer escape. Whether you're thinking of a full outdoor bedroom setup or just introducing rustic elements to an open space, we have plenty of ideas and inspiration to help you create your dream escape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Decor Lab, to stay updated with more rustic home inspiration. And as always, leave us a comment on your favorite outdoor bedroom ideas and like this video if you find it helpful. Choosing the perfect location for your outdoor bedroom. When creating a cozy rustic outdoor bedroom, one of the first and most important decisions is choosing the right location. The location will set the mood, define the ambience, and ultimately dictate the level of privacy and comfort your space provides. Look for an area that blends with your existing garden or backyard, ensuring enough shade during the day and an open view of the sky for stargazing at night. Whether it's a secluded corner surrounded by trees, a peaceful spot near a water feature, or an elevated deck that offers panoramic views, the possibilities are endless. Rustic furniture that complements the outdoors. Rustic outdoor bedrooms are all about simplicity, comfort, and a connection to nature, so the furniture you choose should reflect that. Opt for natural materials such as reclaimed wood, wicker, and wrought iron. A sturdy bed frame made of weathered wood, combined with soft, neutral linens, creates the perfect balance of rugged charm and cozy warmth. Adding a canopy or mosquito net not only enhances the visual appeal but also provides practical protection from the elements. Don't forget to include rustic bedside table. Creating comfort with layered textiles. While the furniture is essential, it's the textiles that truly define the comfort level of your rustic outdoor bedroom. Think of soft, breathable linens, plush pillows, and cozy blankets. Layering different textures and fabrics is key to achieving that rustic yet luxurious feel. Cotton, linen, and wool work beautifully for bedding and throws, while jute or sisal rugs can be added for a natural touch underfoot. For a more vibrant and inviting look, introduce patterned textiles with earthy tones. Florals, stripes, and subtle checks are great options. Incorporating nature into your design. One of the defining features of a rustic outdoor bedroom is its connection to nature. You can achieve this by incorporating natural elements directly into your design. Potted plants, hanging vines, and lush greenery surrounding the space help blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors. Consider adding a few fragrant flowers or herbs like lavender or rosemary for a sensory boost. For a more organic look, use tree stumps as side tables or natural stones as accents. The idea is to let nature become a part of the decor. Lighting ideas for a dreamy ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for any bedroom, especially an outdoor one. Since rustic outdoor bedrooms are meant to offer relaxation, the lighting should be soft and warm. String lights, lanterns, and candles are excellent choices for creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. You could hang fairy lights across a canopy or drape them through nearby trees for a twinkling, magical effect. Vintage lanterns placed around the space also add a touch of charm, while flameless candles scattered on tables or steps provide a safe but equally Weatherproofing your outdoor bedroom. Even though your outdoor bedroom is meant to be an open space, it's essential to plan for unpredictable weather. While a canopy or pergola provides some shelter, consider using weatherproof materials for the furniture and decor. Opt for cushions and pillows with outdoor fabrics that are resistant to moisture, fading, and mildew. You might also want to invest in waterproof covers that can be used to protect your furniture during rain or when the space is not in use. Another consideration is wind. Be sure to secure light furniture or decor pieces, especially if you live in an area prone to strong breezes. personal touches with rustic accessories. Accessories are where you can really let your personality shine in a rustic outdoor bedroom. From handcrafted pottery to vintage mirrors and woven baskets, these small touches bring character and charm to the space. Consider hanging rustic artwork on nearby walls or adding wind chimes for a touch of whimsy. Old lanterns, vintage frames, or a collection of antique books on the bedside table can help personalize the space further. Even simple items like a wicker basket filled with fresh towels or a stack of fire outdoor privacy and comfort solutions. While the idea of an outdoor bedroom is to embrace nature, privacy is still an important consideration. To maintain a sense of intimacy, use natural elements like hedges, wooden screens, or curtains made from light fabrics to create boundaries. These can provide shelter from the wind while also giving you a more secluded space to relax. For added comfort, consider including a few extra pieces such as outdoor lounge chairs or a swing. These additions create a cozy outdoor retreat that feels like an extension of your rustic bedroom. Conclusion: embrace the rustic charm of outdoor living. A cozy rustic outdoor bedroom offers the perfect escape into nature during the summer months. By incorporating natural materials, soft textiles, and thoughtful lighting, you can create a space that blends seamlessly with the outdoors while offering the comfort of home. Remember to personalize your design with accessories and create a private retreat where you can relax and unwind. If you love these ideas, make sure to subscribe to Decor Lab for more rustic home inspiration, and let us know in the comments how you plan to create your